Hi, I'm Doug Simonetto. I am the director of the Gastroenterology Fellowship Program at Mayo Clinic in Rochester. Our program is one of the oldest and most prestigious in the country, and that is because of our sustained commitment to training the next generation of disruptive leaders in GI. At Mayo, our fellows are at the forefront of the field, working side by side with world-renowned experts.
Here at the Mayo Clinic, we have a very select and unique patient population. Being a destination medical center allows us to serve not only the rest of the United States, but many patients from all over the world as well. This lends itself to developing a very diverse patient population over your 3 years. In my first year alone, not only was I exposed to common issues such as constipation, GERD, colonic polyps, but I also managed very complex issues such as advanced IBD, refractory celiac disease, Peutz-Jeghers syndrome, and even complex liver transplant patients. Also, many times patients come to the Mayo Clinic for evaluation of condition that has been rarely seen or not yet identified. Working through the complex GI patient and understanding their physiology with the help of an expert in that particular field of GI is a unique learning opportunity here at Mayo Clinic. Another unique feature of our program is that once we establish care with a patient, whether it's in the inpatient setting or the outpatient setting, we are their primary GI provider for the next 3 years. The opportunities here are endless, and the breadth of GI is very well represented.
Academic scholarship in our fellowship training program is a serious commitment for us and for our fellows. The clinical scholar fellows typically dedicate a year out of their training time to academic pursuits. The clinical investigator and T32 fellows dedicate approximately 2 years of time to their research pursuits. There is a depth and breadth of available research opportunities, and our fellows are pursuing patient-oriented research or disease-oriented research. And divisionally, there are tremendous opportunities to pursue research in data science, such as using the latest artificial intelligence tools, device trials, endoscopic innovation, and drug trials. Mentors approach fellows. It's kind of like speed dating for science, where fellows have the opportunity to review all available research opportunities in the division and pick and choose the ones that are most aligned with their research interests. For us, this is a win-win to enable fellows to acquire skills and branding that becomes a springboard for their future success. It is no surprise to us that most of our fellows pursue academic positions and become national and international leaders in the care of patients, in disease-oriented basic science research, and also thought leaders in the field.
Our program's dedication to both research as well as your career development is really showcased during the second year of fellowship. It's during this period that you actually have protected, dedicated time for your research projects. And to ensure that you hit the ground running during your second year, your research projects as well as your mentorship is really structured and cemented during the first year of fellowship. In regards to your personal career development, this is something that I definitely took advantage of by enrolling in the postdoctorate certificate program, which is done with the Center for Clinical and Translational Science. And it's through this certificate program that you acquire the skill set to really become an independent investigator for your future research. What's unique is the division actually sponsors this program, and because of the structure of the second year, you're able to complete it during fellowship.
As fellows at the Mayo Clinic, we have countless opportunities for academic research and scholarship. Our program encourages our attendance and participation at conferences on the international, national, and local level, as well as events dedicated to trainees, such as the First Year Fellows Endoscopy course and the Mayo Clinic GI Board Review course. Whether in person or virtually, we have the unique opportunity to present our research on a global stage. Before major conferences, we even have the chance to practice our presentations and receive feedback from an audience of Mayo Clinic consultants, the world's leading experts in gastroenterology and hepatology. Expenses for travel and registration are covered by the program, and colleague coverage systems are in place in order to minimize any potential burden from being away from our clinical duties. As a fellow, I really appreciate that our program values these learning opportunities and prioritizes our chance to contribute to cutting-edge research, learn about new developments, and network with other experts in the field.
One of the most important aspects of the training here would be the enormous amount of job opportunity you would have when you graduate, which is the most important part of doing fellowship. When I was applying for a job, I had a tremendous amount of support from my mentors and all the faculty members. They're highly regarded and respected in the academic world, and you would have no problems connecting with an institution you desire, no matter where it is. When I made the decision to come to Mayo Clinic, one of the most important aspects of it was that I would be able to go wherever I want and get my ideal job. And that's exactly what happened to me.
The Emergency Endoscopy Service, better known as the Bleed Team, offers GI fellows the opportunity to gain first-hand experience in the management of patients in need of emergency endoscopy. Fellows work one-on-one with a dedicated staff and have the opportunity to learn endoscopic techniques for treatment of acute gastrointestinal bleeding, foreign body removal, and colonic decompression, among others. Fellows learn how to appropriately triage patients in need of emergency endoscopy and work closely with a team of physicians, nurses, endoscopy technicians, and anesthesia providers. Endoscopic procedures are performed in a dedicated endoscopy suite at Mayo Clinic's St. Mary's Hospital, as well as across intensive care units. Many of our GI fellows feel that the Bleed Team is when they refine and take their endoscopic skills to the next level. They enjoy the high-paced nature of the service and the direct impact they have in the care of our patients.
One of the great things about this program is the ability to tailor your training as early as first year. We have the opportunity to choose from a variety of electives, from standard electives in pathology and radiology to more specialized electives, including artificial intelligence, and one that I was able to participate in on the topic of endoscopic innovation. It gave me a chance to work with novel endoscopic technologies, devices, spend some time in an area we call the farm where we do our preclinical studies, and really gave me exposure to mentors and techniques that I would use throughout my fellowship and ultimately in my future career.
Working at Mayo Clinic is an incredible opportunity, incredible experience, mainly because I believe our culture is so unique. So the people and the culture help us stand above many other incredible institutions. And the reason why our culture is what it is because we're all unified in our mission, and our mission is to meet the needs of the patient. When you have an entire healthcare system that is grounded in the same mission, it really sets a culture that's unique and allows us to deliver better care to our patients. And honestly, it provides a great training opportunity because of that unified belief system.
We have a proud tradition of encouraging equity and inclusion within our division and have trained and recruited many individuals from diverse backgrounds to our staff. We are particularly proud that many of these individuals have also risen to positions of leadership within our division. We look forward to recruiting and retaining a diverse group of trainees in our programs.
At Mayo Clinic Gastroenterology and Hepatology, we give a lot of importance to physical health and mindfulness. We do count with the Dan Abraham Healthy Living Center, which is directly connected to our Mayo Clinic downtown campus through the subway system. This is a 3-story gym that counts with group classes such as yoga, Pilates, also a lot of machines for strength and conditioning as well as cardio, and a pool for those who like to swim. If you do enjoy more intense workouts, like CrossFit, there are several centers for CrossFit in Rochester. We also count with Pure Barre in downtown. We count with Orange Theory. So there are really many options you can choose from. We also like performing group activities, fitness related, and we get to know each other and share these fitness moments with each other as well.
If you enjoy the outdoors, Rochester is perfect for you. We have abundance of running trails for hiking, running, cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, as well as plenty of lakes and rivers for you to go kayaking with friends and on your day off, pontoon boating, or even ice fishing in the wintertime. Rochester is a diverse and growing city offering a relaxed pace of life. It is bound to have something for you and your family.
Hi, my name is Daryl Party, and I'm the chair of Gastroenterology and Hepatology here at Mayo Clinic in Rochester. I'm thrilled that you're interested in our fellowship program. One of the things that differentiates our program from other top programs across the country is our emphasis on education and the balance between practice, education, and research. This is evident in our curriculum with a full year of protected time for research and not a heavy emphasis on inpatient service. And this embodies the Mayo Clinic symbol, which is 3 interconnected shields representing practice, education, and research. This balance is present not only in the fellowship program, but across our division and the institution for that matter. This balance has served us well. For example, recent recognition yet again as the #1 hospital in the country, as well as the top division of gastroenterology and hepatology. This is a position we've held since that survey started in the U.S. News & World Report about 32 years ago. We are proud of this recognition, and we hope you come and join our family and build on this legacy.
Thank you so much for your interest, and I hope you enjoyed learning more about our fellowship program.